Hello and welcome to Credit Awareness 101. I'm John Bordelon, President and Founder of Sunrise Financial and Realty Solutions. And today's question is, how much home can I afford and what are the guidelines in regard to purchasing a new home? Fairly simple. How much home can you afford? Number one, you can afford a home based upon your income multiplied times 2.5. What that simply means is whatever your income is, multiply it times 2.5, and that's the value of the home you can actually purchase. So, for instance, if you make $50,000 a year, that means you can afford a home that's roughly $125,000 a year. Now, let's talk about front end and back end ratios. The ratios are what lenders utilize to determine whether or not you'll be able to actually afford the home, along with other incidentals and bills that you'll have to pay. For instance, the front end ratio is 29%. That means your monthly payment can be no more than 29% of your gross income. That's important. But the back end ratio is more important. That means that your monthly payment, along with whatever car payments, credit card payments, whatever bills you have coming in, can be no more than 45% of your gross monthly income. So, for instance, you have to make sure that not only you can make that monthly payment on the home, but you have to be able to pay the car notes as well, or maybe even child support or credit cards. Only at that point are you actually going to be able to get a home. So basically, two things to take into consideration. Number one, figuring out how much home you actually qualify for, and then number two, figuring out whether or not you actually have the wherewithal to meet the obligations in regard to the front end and the back end ratios. I hope this was a great help to you. I'm John Bordelon with Credit Awareness 101, and remember, nothing happens until you make it happen. Take care. Bye-bye.